Okay, everybody, it's been a long time since I posted anything on YouTube. That's because I've had a lot of stuff going on in my life over the years. But I'm in a new town, new county, new location. And, well, my living situation has changed. Well, I've got a project here, right there. And that's what I'm going to be highlighting to try to make a few video series on. Basically, I moved into a newer camper than that. I purchased it out of a big dealer, and basically discovering that moving into a camper, you're really limited on space. And I've got everything I own basically in storage, so I needed something to accommodate our stuff. And that's it. I've been looking on Marketplace for months and not finding anything that was worth my time or money. I came across this 2 or 3 days ago on Marketplace. It was cheap, well under $1,000, which is what I needed to keep it at. This is an old 21 foot, I believe it is, Shasta bumper pole camper trailer. Old, very old. And, it's not perfect. It's got issues, the stuff that's going to have to be worked on, but it appears to be mostly watertight, and basically what we're going to be doing is gutting it. This is going to be one big open floor plan, empty box on wheels by the time I'm done. Confirm that the roof don't leak. If there's any issues there, we'll deal with it. I do know that I have some mild water intervention in the rear wall. There was a rear window. Somebody took it out, put a window mount air conditioner in its place. Didn't do a wonderful job on that. So there was some water intervention into the back wall. So no doubt I'm going to have to do a little bit of work there. That cubby there, I'm not sure exactly what would have been in there, but just general storage. The door's missing, so there's some water damage on the floor of that. We'll deal with that. But basically this is sort of a how-to DIY on taking an old camper and gutting it and turning it into storage. Now, unfortunately, I'm going to tell you right now, I don't have the means to film as I work. I'm filming this on my cell phone. I'm not equipped with a PC or digital video camera yet, let alone editing software. I never gotten into that, so this is going to be just a series of short videos kind of documenting the progress. But first, we're going to take a look at it. And unlike most YouTubers out there, I will explain how much I paid for this. They wanted almost $800 for it. $750 I think was the original asking price. I negotiated it down to $550. Then the guy went down as low as $500 if I can get it off the property, like that day. So I did. So I got this old 21 footer for $500. I mean, it's not wonderful, but for our immediate needs, this will work. So, first thing, original doorknob. Like, not an original, but this is a household doorknob. Not typical. And obviously the first thing that we're going to have to do is clean out in terms of all the loose stuff that's in here, and we're going to have to remove all the loose stuff. Then that up there is going to come down. Those cupboards and cabinets and all that good stuff is going to come down. Basically, this is all going to be gutted for empty floor plan, open floor plan. So that's what we're going to be doing on this thing here. This is actually only the second time I've actually set foot in here. So, yeah. It's sitting on an angle, so this is a bit wobbly. So far the floor feels alright. No stove. Got a hood. Sink is gone. That's been taken out, no doubt, to put that there to give them more workspace. They probably had a hot plate here. All these cabinetry cupboards is going to come out. Yeah, it looks like we might have had some water damage here. But this is what we're looking at for $500. So that's what we got. First things first, a lot of trash and debris. Looks like that was a mini fridge. No idea if that works. But this is what we've got. I haven't had a chance to really go through this at all, so guess we'll see what we got. All right.